Is the Home Business Academy a scam, or is the real deal for making money online in 2025? If you've been burned before by hype, I get it. I've been there too, chasing systems that promised the world but delivered nothing but frustration. In this video, I'm going to break down the HBA compensation plan, show you my real proof, and explain how you can build residual income, passive income online, and even start affiliate marketing for beginners without gimmicks, without paid ads, and without tech overwhelm. Stick with me until the end, because I've got a bonus that can literally put traffic on autopilot for you. And that's why I titled this video The Home Business Academy, Scam or Real? How to make money online. Because that's the exact question people are asking, and by the end you'll see the proof for yourself. I'm even going to log into my bank account and show you my emails so you can match them up yourself, okay? So let's start with proof. In the last 48 hours I made 2 new sales. That added $28 in residual commissions. I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so now I have 2 customers in the Let's Go app. That's $16 a month. The Funnel Builder, that's $60 with 3 customers. And the Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy with 100. So the only one I'm not in profit with completely by itself is the Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy. But when I get one more, I'll be profiting $75 a month. So it's a nice little gamble. And as you can see, I'm at $176 in monthly residual income with just 3 active customers. Okay, that's badass. My 3-month projection is $528. My 6-month projection is $1,056, and my annual projection is $2,112. And this is really only in the last 2 weeks. Okay, so it is really snowballing. So these numbers are gonna go up a lot, especially since I just purchased the Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy. So again, but that's a nice little start. Can you imagine after a year being able to make $2,112? But that's not my goal. I want to be making a lot more than that, so I can retire from my 9 to 5 and start getting not only money freedom but time freedom as well. Being able to not have to punch a clock, because I'm almost 53 years old. I'm ready to start making memories. A lot of people work till they're 70, 75 because of retirement, etc., because of bills, because of not being able to get ahead, because of the, things like the dollar is 15% a year. So, and I'll show you the e-wallet and then the bank account. So, a $34.50. Remember these numbers: $6.50 and $83.05. Okay, so we're gonna log in, and I'm gonna show you those numbers: $34.50, $6.50, and $83.05. So let's check it out. And I just paid my rent, so because my wife was in a car accident, was hit and still in rehab. So I'm doing most of the bills right now. So that was rent went. Okay, so there's the $6.50, the $34.50, and the $83.05, right? So you can see those are positives. Those are residual income, okay? And it matches up exactly with what I showed you. So at this pace, that's again about $2,112 in residual income over the next 12 months. So right here, $2,112. Now that I know $176 a month isn't Lamborghini money, but here's the thing: it's real, it's consistent, and it's compounding. And if you've ever tried to build something online, you know how rare that is. Most people searching make money online in 2025 never see results. Why? Because they're missing the foundation, which is financial literacy, duplication, and funnels that actually rank on YouTube and Google. That's exactly what HBA is built on. So what is the Home Business Academy? It's 3 core products: the Funnel Builder, HBA Funnel Builder, $25 a month, simple, plug and play, and it pays out $20 residual commissions. The Let's Go app. $10 a month pays $8 residually for every customer you bring in. The premium membership, $125 a month, and it pays $100 residual commissions. That's 80% commissions across the board. So when you bring in a new member, you're not scraping pennies. You're building real monthly income. Here's the part most people miss. These funnels aren't just tools. They're designed to position you as trustworthy. Okay, you need these tools to stand out from the rest. If you're just sending people to a company funnel, you're not building your list, you're not standing out, and what's stopping for people from going to somebody else with better bonuses or with better name recognition, or somebody who has a list and is ranking for terms like I am? Okay, they can sponsor shop, right? And when you think about it, that's the difference between chasing shiny objects and building something that compounds. Now let's deal with the elephant in the room. Is HBA a scam? Scams hide the details. HBA is the opposite. The compensation plan is transparent, the training is step by step, and the payouts are real. It was initiated from the bank e-wallet into the bank account. This was done as part of the recurring transfer. I didn't have to hit anything. It automatically was deposited into my account, right? That's why I titled this video The Home Business Academy, Scam or Real? How to make money online. Because it's the exact question everybody is searching. And I want to show you the transparent answer. And here's where it gets even better. For serious action takers, I've added a second bonus. I'm going to tag team with you, okay? If you grab all three, the Funnel Builder, the Let's Go app, and Premium, not only can you earn 20, 8, and 100 a month, that's 128 per person potentially, I'll add your link to my rotator. Okay, that means I'll personally buy traffic and send leads to both of our links. The first person who takes me up on this, and there's one person who already has 2 of the 3, okay, then the first person is going to be splitting traffic 50-50. Okay, I'm going to be building your list, and I'm going to be getting you leads, traffic leads, and potentially sales to you on autopilot. Now, I'm not suggesting you don't do anything. That's not what I'm saying. But if you don't have enough time, if you just want to start, and while you're learning and start earning commissions, you can easily speed up that process, okay, and get in profit. Okay, here's the duplication key. You can offer this exact bonus of the rotator to your team. Imagine telling your new members, join at all 3 levels and I'll drive traffic for you. That's how duplication scales. We have the best bonuses, we have the best training, we have the best team, and I'm going to show you in a minute how we dominate YouTube. Okay, most people never get duplication right. This is the shortcut. Okay, Facebook is not the way. It is not evergreen traffic, or Instagram, or any of that. Although Instagram's pretty nice. I have ranked my videos with Instagram. Here's my #1 hack. Bundling. Even if you can't grab all 3 levels right away, if you simply bundle the HBA Funnel Builder with the Let's Go app, that's $25 plus $10 a month. Together, they pay you 20 plus 8. That's $28 per person per month in pure residual income. Think about that. Just one person covering both tools is already $28 a month in your bank account or pocket. That's how you start stacking predictable income fast. And here's the kicker. Once you've got a few of those bundles rolling, you can upgrade into the 125 premium level completely out of profit. It's like being at the casino, but instead of risking your own chips, you're playing with house money. That's how you scale without stress. Now, even if you start at the $25 funnel builder level, you'll get, or the 125, you'll get my exact daily blueprint, the system I use to dominate YouTube rankings and show up on Google. Upload after upload, it compounds. And here's the kicker. When you train these people with this system that I'm about to show you, real ranking proof, you can earn 50% instant commissions by simply plugging them into the system, and the training is done for you into your online, whatever you want, Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Okay, that's how you create duplication without overwhelm. And I'm going to stop bullshitting and show you exactly how this works. Okay, give me a sec. All right, so I'm going to show you real ranking proof. Okay. And of course my system is freezing right now. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure exactly what was happening. It was opening tabs. It was slowing down. So this is Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. As you can see, I'm in incognito. Okay. This is on YouTube, and this is crazy because, okay, this is an ad. It doesn't count. So there's 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 4, right? This is another ad. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another ad. 9 out of 11. And there's another one, and 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 another one. Bites the dust, right? So I've got like 15 of 20, if not more, videos for one keyword phrase, okay? DFY Marketing System, and check it out. That's a whole playlist, by the way. This, you don't see it anywhere, DFY Marketing System, right? So it's a snowball going downhill. The more you follow this training that we show you works, okay, the very first video you will rank on YouTube, okay? Then the more you do it, the more you start getting authority with Google and YouTube. And they start showing more and more videos for the same keyword, okay? And you dominate like we do. So I'm going to go to Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. I don't know what happened to that. It might be right here. Yeah, my system's still messing up. I may have to add this early. Copy. Okay. We're going to click right here, and we're going to try to search for it. But if it's not working, it's not working. Life is going to life. Sometimes it's not going to go your way. All right, paste. Come on. There we go. All right. And I got a dogger in the background. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The top 4 things are my videos on YouTube, 2 on YouTube, and 2 on, for Instagram, right? Above even the homebusinessacademy.com, right? Okay. Now we'll go to Home Business Academy versus ClickFunnels. There's a video right there, and another video, okay? And on YouTube, we're going to look. And it is really slow today. Okay, they're just loaded, okay? So there's a video by another team member, Andrew Gutherman. Again, don't just focus on me. Focus on you and your team, okay? Here's a video right here. And here's another video, okay? And here's another video, okay? Why home videos, Home Business Academy funnels convert. Number 1 video, okay? And on YouTube, same term. Yeah, my system is memoried out right now. It's loading. I'm going to go to the next thing. Alright, well, I've shown you a lot. So is Home Business Academy a scam or real? There's the first video and the second video, okay? The proof speaks for itself. Real payouts, transparent training, duplication that works, and a community that supports you. Are you ready to see the full HBA compensation in action? Start here. HBA, johnsally.com, HBACP, or click on the first link in the description. Then drop your biggest question about building trust online in the comments. I reply to everyone. This has been the Home Business Academy Scam or Real. How to make money online. If you've been waiting for a system that's simple, transparent, and proof-driven, this is it. No hype, no gimmicks, just proof, duplication, and a system that works. Okay, I've shown you plenty of stuff, but look, Home Business Academy Funnel Owners Exposed. #1 video. There's the DIY marketing system, okay? And I think this was the one, yeah. So I've shown you plenty of proof. I showed you my bank account. I showed you emails. I showed you the site, etc. And look, there it goes again. 1, 2, 3, 4 videos. 5, 6. Are you seeing this? The light bulb, there's another one, 7, should go off in your head, because this is real and it can work for you if you just work the system. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Sollyman. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.